Welcome to my channel and today's video on 5 reasons to buy a used car. In this video, I'm going to discuss why buying a used car is an excellent option compared to buying a new car. Be sure to stick around until the end to determine if a new or used car is right for you. Let's get started. The first reason to buy a used car is to save money. Buying a used car can save you a lot of money compared to buying a new car. When you purchase a used car, you are paying a lower price for the car than what it would cost new. You are also avoiding the large depreciation that a new car is hit with when you drive off the lot. Since the car is used, usually you are able to negotiate a price that both parties like. You can also be eligible for tax breaks and incentives that aren't always available for the new car purchase. Secondly, insurance for used cars is usually cheaper than for new cars, making it much more affordable. Insurance rates for used cars are usually lower than rates for new cars because they are valued less and they are considered low risk. Insurance companies typically charge lower premiums for used cars because there is less of an investment for them to protect. Additionally, if you buy a used car that is more than 10 years old, the insurance provider may consider the car a classic and give you an even lower rate. And number 3 is to build better credit. Buying a used car is a great way to build up your credit score. When financing a used car, the loan is reportable to the credit bureaus. This means that the loan can be used to help build and improve your credit score if you make your payments on time. Additionally, if you make a large down payment on the vehicle, you may be eligible for a lower interest rate, which will also help to improve your credit. At number 4 is the wide variety of used cars. Used cars are available in a wider variety of models, colors, and sizes compared to new cars. Used cars come in many different colors, types, models, and sizes compared to new cars purchased. There's such a wide range of used cars available due to many people trading their cars in to purchase a different car. Buying used could be a plus depending on what model and car you are looking for. Last but not least is the better resale value. Used cars typically have a better resale value if you choose to sell it down the road. Used cars typically have good resale value because they have already undergone the largest part of their depreciation. Additionally, vehicles that are in good condition will usually hold their value more easily, making it easier to resell their car and earn money from it. There were 5 of some of the best reasons to purchase a used car instead of a new car. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and comment down below if you prefer used or new vehicles. See you in the next one.